For those of you who aren't aware yet, Cash App lets you borrow up to 500 USD from your Cash App account. Yes, it is very easy right now because Cash App has made these steps even way easier than you might even think and what we usually use in the past. So if you want to know how to borrow up to 500 USD from Cash App, stick to this video as I'll be showing you all the steps you need to know to get you short-term financing from the platform. So I catch you right after the intro. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So before even looking to borrow money from Cash App, you need to understand the requirements that you must meet to qualify for the feature. First, you need to know that you have to deposit at least 300 USD in paycheck in your account every month, and also you need to have a linked external bank account that receives at least 500 USD in monthly deposits. This is a very important requirement that you must meet to qualify for the feature. This has even made things way easier because before we used to do guesswork to know how to get eligible for the platform for the short-term financing, but now you know exactly what you need to meet to qualify for this feature, which Cash App has eliminated right here. And also you need to know that you need a Cash App debit card to qualify for the feature because first off, you can't even set up direct deposit if you haven't yet ordered a free Cash App card. But thankfully, there's an even easier way to order for a free Cash App card that I've shown you in the video that you find in the description down below. So make sure you check that out. Now that you are eligible to borrow money from Cash App, what are the steps that you need to borrow money from the platform? First, you need to go to the Money tab and tap Borrow. Then choose how much you want to borrow from the platform and then get your money instantly with flexible payment options. Those same steps can be carried out on your phone. So you just go to the home screen just as so and go to the Money tab and make sure that you find the borrow feature from here, and then you follow the steps that we shown to your screen earlier. Of course, the steps are pretty easy for everyone, but what you need to know is that the limit here might not be the same for everyone. So the limit that you might have might not be the same thing for your siblings or your family members limit. You can be limited to borrow just up to 100 USD, which is way normal depending on your spending habit. Meanwhile, your friend or relative might be eligible to borrow even up to this 500 USD. So everything just depends on your spending limit and how you use Cash App for transactions. Make sure you use Cash App for your frequent transactions, whether it's to send or receive money. Just make sure you do it all through Cash App, and this will help you qualify for even higher limits because the more transactions you carry out from the platform, the more Cash App notices that hey, this dude is actually receiving way much money from the platform and he uses the app frequently, which will give you a good head start to qualify for higher limits with Cash App. So make sure that you use Cash App for your frequent transactions to qualify for higher limits. So were you successful with borrowing money from Cash App? If yes, how much did you borrow from the platform? Let me know in the comment section so I'll be happy to hear from you. I'll catch you in the next one.